Thank you for coming a bit earlier than we usually do our event. The main reason being that we wanted to share with you first this exciting product we are going to show you today. So let me start with yes, technology is working. So as a context of what I'm going to present you today, I wanted to show you back what is our vision and our main focus this year. So as you know, we are investing and developing a lot of services around data, starting with the device. We will show you some devices. Then around all our services that are supported with H+ at the national level and 4G that we are gradually developing until the license will be granted in 2014. Then we are as well focusing, and this is the topic of today, around innovative services, and all of that we are trying to provide the best customer experience. Going back to the device, so you know that since now almost 1 month, we are launching all our flagship device 4G enabled. So this we started with the LG, Nokia, Lumia and the Sony Xperia. Now we have as well, since 2 weeks, the iPhone 5, which had a carrier update for LTE. And in the coming weeks, starting end of this week, on the S4 and HTC One coming as well. This 4G is not only on smartphone and voice, it is as well pure data devices. So here you have the list of our devices on data. So the iPad mini and the iPad 4. And then we have as well since last year the Samsung Galaxy Note tab and as well a modem. So what I like to call, and this is a bit more internal discussion, but the way we see data and developing data inside Orange is basically we are following a 4-step approach in a way that we provide the best customer experience. So the way we are looking at it, so first we are looking at to develop the installed base of people capable of accessing data network. So this is what we call the smartphone penetration. So here you have numbers that compare 2011 versus 2012. So you see we had the rapid growth of the customer base equipped with a smartphone. On the smartphone sales, we are around now for Q1 around 60% more smartphone compared to last year. The way we are doing that is with what I have shown you before, the flagship, but not only, because they are quite expensive device. So we are launching as well our own device, which we call Orange device. And last week we have launched 2 devices, one Sanremo and the other one Nivo, all Android and with the latest technology on it. Then it's about having the right tariff. So here we are developing mainly Pantera 2 years ago, and last year we have launched Kanguru, which is a data plan that allows people to start data. And here you see as well that we have quite a nice growth on the number of people using. And at the end, how we measure all of this is by how much data people consume. So here you see that we have quite a rapid growth. That's why we have to continuously invest on the network, because people are using more and more. And what we are doing for the people to use those services is to launch a lot of services on the Orange name or in partnership. So here you have a kind of old services that we have for a long time that we are improving, which is the mobile television. Then we have our exclusive partnership with Deezer, so the music. We have launched Friday a new voice over IP for the young segment called Libon. And the fourth one is the topic of today. So the topic of today, I guess you can now guess what is our topic of today. So we are going to present to you the Orange Cloud today. So, before going to the service itself, I think it was during end of last year, we found quite a reassuring research that was in fact showing the usage and the popularity of cloud. And that was a research done by ESA, and it was done across Europe. What is quite interesting, Romania on this chart is first, and the way you have to read it is that this is the number of people who are declaring using the cloud, but this is the number of people who declare knowing that it's on the cloud, which is showing that the cloud itself, it's becoming, I will say, part of our life. Even for quite some people, they don't know that it is the cloud, but they know that they are saving their content somewhere. They don't know that it's in the cloud. Then what is as well interesting, and this is the angle we are taking as well today, because what we see is that it's much more used on personal than on business. And here you have a comparison which is not significantly different between Europe and worldwide. So you see that on consumer, people are much more using the cloud. So going now on the product that we are announcing today, and we will demonstrate in a few minutes. So first of all, the way we see cloud at Orange is that it has three key components. The first one being that you have always to be secure. So this is, I will say, the no discussion parameter that you have to provide to the customer a secure environment. You have to be able to synchronize all the time your devices. So that's why we are bringing that on the mobile technology, because you can all the time, anywhere you are, synchronize with your content. And more important in our life, you have to share this content, because most of the time we are talking about picture, and you want to share those pictures. Looking at the way we are today launching the cloud. So today, we are very happy to announce that the cloud of Orange will come with unlimited traffic to the cloud, because we believe that you need to have a storage, but you should not be constrained how you store your content, music, whatever on the cloud. So people will not have to worry that they are using their data traffic, because the data traffic to the cloud will be unlimited. Another very important element of the cloud, at least as we see it as a mobile operator, is that it has to back up what you have on your phone. And the most important things you have on your phone is your contact and calendar. So that has to be on the cloud. And the third component of it is that you need to be able to share it widely, directly from the cloud. So that's why we are as well introducing the email and all the social network component. This is available, as you will see, on all the different devices you have around here. So it means Android. We have as well a very nice demonstration on the camera, so the Samsung camera connected to the network, all the tablet, and Android is ready, Apple is ready, but Apple was not able to deliver this morning, so it will be this week. So it's in the process, it has been validated, but it will be delivered this week. So we have a slight delay on this one. As I was saying, so this is what the purpose of all the devices you have here. We want to show you and demonstrate, and you will be able to play. So the ecosystem is the full device connected. So with your account, you will be able to share across all those devices. So the way we will, and you will have more detail after, but highlight, so we will have on the entry package 10 gigabyte storage on the cloud. We will go up to 150 for the very, very heavy user. You will have the possibility as well to make it larger if you need over the time. We believe as well that this will come probably in the future, that you need first to put your storage. And again, the most important feature we believe we are bringing on the market is the unlimited traffic to the cloud, and secondly, the fact that you can back up your contact and your calendar. So now we will do the demonstration, so I invite